Welcome back to Mahavidya, Yoga, and Ayurveda. We get asked a lot about what's the difference between a cleanse or a seasonal cleanse and Pancha Karma. And so Pancha Karma, Pancha is 5 and Karma is actions. And what Pancha Karma means is the 5 actions that dispel excess dosha from the body. And so any impurities in the system that are giving rise to imbalance. I've got my sweet friend here joining me. So anytime we're seeing as a practitioner that there's excess dosha, excess vata, pitta, kapha is what we mean, then we may recommend Pancha Karma. But then what are we doing with these seasonal cleanses? And what's happening is over time, we accumulate ama. We've got a blog post and another video that you can find here on our YouTube channel. And ama is the byproduct of undigested particles of food, which are toxins or sticky particles that are sticking to the GI tract. And so the goal in a seasonal cleanse or one of the shorter Ayurvedic cleanse is to dispel or reduce ama from the system so that the channels of the body open up and things start moving properly through the systems in the body. This is also a prerequisite for Pancha Karma because it's really hard to move dosha along and out of the body if there is a sticky buildup present. So one thing we recommend is if you feel like you've got more chronic conditions, you may want to reach out to a practitioner for a Pancha Karma program. You can come visit us here in beautiful Puerto Rico. Or if you're just looking at maintaining health, similar to changing the oil in your car, you may want to consider doing seasonal cleansing 2 to 3 times a year to eliminate or reduce ama. And so reach out to us if you have any questions. Otherwise, see the links below for the videos and blog posts for more information. And as always, stay healthy, friends. Peace.